Hello everybody, I'm back again. Just wanted to pop real quick and show you this pocket that I just made, and I couldn't wait, of course. I had to show it, but I did take the time to decorate it before I came up on YouTube, because I know sometimes I go overboard and come in with a plain pocket. But anyways, I decorated these two and I took pictures and put them on Instagram and Facebook, and I really love the way they came out, so I wanted to come in and show you guys. Of course, they're made out of book pages. They're very simple. This is the back. I just distressed all around the edges. I didn't copy dye these. This one the same. And it has a front little pocket. Now, I didn't know, I guess you could say I'm trying different. This one, I went ahead and did the little insert on both. I like it and I don't. So then I went ahead and did it on this one, only on the bottom, and I like that. So I'll probably be doing more of these than this. But I still think they came out cute. I just went ahead and added this as a little insert, and these little, I guess library cards are from Tsunami Rose. And I just added a little stab there and just some fibers, and that just tucks in the front pocket. This little piece came from Artie Mays, and I just popped it in there. On the inside, I just made a little insert. This is another thing I have. I have a couple of these books that are from Seven Gypsies, and they're just there. I have different ones, and I know one of them was gifted to me, but I've been, pretty much hoarding them there. Here's another one. So I'm like, okay, I need to use them. So what I did is I grabbed one of the pages from those, just folded it in half, and made a little insert out of it. So I just folded it in half, and then folded just enough to get a little tuck, but have it long enough to stick it, in your journals. Well, when I made this pocket, it fit perfectly, so I was happy about that. So on this one, I just added this image. This came from Artie Mays, just backed around some cardstock, a little bit of trim there, and I just made pockets and just did a bunch of sewing. And these came from Tsunami Rose. I think they all came from Tsunami Rose. So those just pop in there. I thought this was a cute idea, just for me to use up those papers. So they just pop in there. You can glue them down in your journals. You can just insert them. You can hold them with a paper clip on the pocket. I mean, you can do a lot with them. These are, let me see, it's a 6 by 4 1/4, the length of the pocket. But it depends on the page that you use. I'm using a little bit of a larger page this time, and this is, I think, a 9 almost 9 1/4 by 6. So pages that I use for these. But I want to make some smaller ones. But I mean, even just as a little gift to somebody, I think these are so cute. You could even turn this into a little, booklet. Make it as is, but add some pages so people can journal, and it's a cute little gift to give to somebody. I'm loving these. And then actually, this was my second one that I did. And on this one, I just added this. Well, actually, this came from a page from one of my paper pads. I just fussy cut it, and I thought it was perfect. It made it look so cute. I left it alone. Just added some of this trim in the bottom. And on the pocket, I just added one of these. This is from one of the kits I just purchased, but I'm not sure who. And then this was the first insert I made, and I didn't decorate this one because I like the way it looks. And on this one, I did add some trim on the pocket, but the only thing is it's a little more bulky. But I mean, it fits fine. But if you want them flat, then yeah, I wouldn't add that. But even with or without, I think they look so cute. And then I just have this pieces here. I think this is from Pinterest, and this is from a kit. So yeah, I thought these were so cute. Just little, I guess, folders, you could say. And they just pop in here. And then this one. And I didn't do any sewing, which was not normal for me. I just did it as is, and I just love the way they came out. Did I? Oh, I thought I felt it bend. Okay, maybe it's just me. I think it's the lace on the pocket. But yeah, these are so cute. So I just wanted to come in and share real quick. Also, I went ahead and did this one, and I was gonna put, cut this little piece to make the pocket. But I had this image here that I was gonna put in one of my little small journals, but it was too wide. So I just tossed it aside. So I ended up putting it here and left it open. I haven't put anything in there yet, but it's just a image. She's just got some fabrics, and you can go ahead and insert a tag or something in here, which that is what I'm going to do. Okay, that's too fat, won't fit. But you have the pocket here, and then you have the insert there, so you could even do that. Then I also made this one, which I've been working on it right now, which I messed up on this little insert. I went out on the sewing for not paying attention. But I thought, okay, let me put a little postcard, and I think it looks so cute. And then I just now have to do the little insert. And this one I did sewed around this one. I didn't do the cut, but I did do it to the back. I like that too. Just doing them on both I didn't like. But yeah, it's either on the bottom pocket or on the top pocket. I like that. And these, instead of cutting the little papers that I've been making to, put them up as a pocket, you can purchase these. These are from Artie Mays, and they're like the perfect size. Like you see, I have one here, so you don't even have to do this and then decorate this. I mean, that's beautiful. Like, you really don't have to do anything to it. So if you buy those, you can use that as a pocket, and then just leave it open on the top, and then you have the back. And then she has a lot of beautiful images, as you see. So yeah, that's an idea. If you like and want to do these pockets, just buy those and pop them on in the front. And also she has these, and they come the same size as this, but I shrunk those for the smaller inserts that I was doing. So I glued that one there, but you could also just glue the whole thing here, like this piece, and then just, they're so cute. I love these images. I don't have any to show you more, but she has I can't remember the quantity, but it's various flowers that she has in front. But they're so cute. They're so simple. So let me take advantage right now that I got you guys here and do just a quick little tutorial. Like I said, I just use these. These are a little bit, almost 9 1/4 by 6. I don't measure. I just fold because I want I want to leave this blank in case I don't glue it to the back. I left that opening in the front. And you just grab your bone folder and just press down, and then you do the other side. You can sew around it if you like. I was actually thinking of doing that and see how it would look, but also thought of just sewing around it, but I like the space that it has. And if I sew it, it's not going to be as wide, because it's just going to be down, so I'm like, no. So this is all you do. This is this pocket. That's all I did. And now you just distress it, just glued the bottom. Actually, the edge of where the pages were connected from the book, that's where I put my glue. And just seal it, and there's your little pocket. And then you go ahead and cut yourself another piece of paper to size. And this one I cut it 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. So that just pops in the front, and you just make your little opening at the top. You don't have to, you can leave them as is. But I think they're so cute, so simple, and that's it. This is all you do. And for the insert, like I said, you just grab the paper, which I need to make another one. Let me grab this one. And this is, I guess like a wedding theme one. Here's the picture I used. I mean the sheet that I used on the other one, and it says the wedding songbook. So when I flipped it, it covered that because, you know, I'm not doing a wedding thing. But yes, this one has some pretty pages. This one has some tags too. I thought that was cute. Little journaling tags. But you just grab whatever page you want. I'm going to grab this one. And you have, this is a front or this is a front. And I think I would like to use this in the front, but when I do the folds for the pocket, it's going to cut it out. So I'm going to have to leave that as the front. So like I said, I don't measure it. I just do it about there. What is it, like almost 1.5? Just press. Oops, sorry guys, that was noisy. And then this one just to the edge. But I do cut the edge here because when you close it, you know, it's going to make it a little bulky, and I want to make it where it's not too bulky. So I just go ahead and cut a little sliver off. So there it is. And I just either sew it or glue it, whatever you want to do, and there's your little insert. You just add your little pieces of tucks you want to add. Close it. You can leave this one as is. You could round your corners, which actually that's what I want to do on this one. You know, I'm just doing a little bit of everything. I'm going to use a quarter. And see if it looks so cute like that too. And then you just insert it in your little pocket. How cute is that? So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, I couldn't wait to come up with other ideas. But yeah, there you have it. I hope you guys like it, and I hope I inspire you to give them a try and create some of them for your journals. Anyways, thank you so much. You guys have an amazing rest of the evening, and God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.